welcome back. Today I have a quick and dirty haul for you, but it is with Stitch Fix, and my stylist hit it out of the park this time, so let's just get right on in. In the intro, this video is in partnership with Stitch Fix. I have worked with them before in the past. I really enjoy working with them, and this time my stylist hit my box right out of the park. We have 4 out of 5 wins, which makes me very, very excited. I feel like that's a really good average. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, let me tell you guys a little bit about them, and if you are familiar with Stitch Fix, there's a time code down in the description box. Just tap on that and get on through, because obviously you're already using Stitch Fix and they've already changed your life, so you don't need to hear about them again. But for those who do, Stitch Fix is a styling service. So what does a styling service mean? What a styling service means is that they have employees, they have staff that work with you to kind of determine your personal style, what you like, what you don't, what colors you'll wear, what colors you won't, prints, all that kind of stuff, and most importantly, price point, how much you're willing to spend, how much you're not willing to spend. And if you're someone that really doesn't like shopping, or if you want someone to do the shopping for you because you can't be bothered, or if you're someone like me that loves shopping but you're also like interested in seeing what other people think, or maybe they have brands you've never heard of before, that's what Stitch Fix is really, really great for. So how it works is you give them $20 as a styling fee, and they go out and they curate this box for you, then they send the box to you. Once you get the box, you can open it up, try everything on for free, and if you decide to keep anything, that $20 styling fee you paid gets applied to an item. So say you love this top and it's 50 bucks. Well, you already paid the $20 styling fee, so now you're just gonna pay the $30 difference. If you have a box that has 5 items in it and you love all 5 items, they give you 25% off of your total order. So that's pretty bomb AF. And I wanna give you guys a little tip. I did a video with Stitch Fix before, and I was reading the comments, and a lot of the comments were like, hey, I'm having a hard time getting my stylist to like get me the right stuff, or it wasn't quite my style. So my biggest suggestion for people that are working with Stitch Fix and want to kind of help them help you kind of thing, would be to start an Instagram if you don't have one already. And you don't have to post pictures of yourself necessarily, but post pictures of outfits that you like. Like just use it as like a reblog account, kind of like, you know, the Tumblr days where you would like reblog something you liked. So use it and post pictures of outfits that you like, of things that you like on the Instagram, and then send that link to your stylist so she can review it and then take a look and say, okay, now I really see what she's really looking for, and I'm gonna help work, you know, a little bit differently and maybe find pieces that she's gonna like a little bit more. So that is it about Stitch Fix. There's a link down below if you want to go ahead and sign up and try it out for yourself. If you're already using Stitch Fix, by the way, let me know how it's going for you, what you think, how your stylist is doing, and if you found anything that you liked. But I cannot wait to share this box with you guys. I'm gonna start with my favorite piece just right out the gate, because why not start with a winner? I actually had this piece in my cart on the retailer site. That's how good this was. I pulled it out of the box and I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, you've got to be kidding me. I already have this in my cart. So perfect, awesome. So let me grab it and let's start talking about it. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen this because I could not wait to post it. I literally got it, took a picture, posted it like same day. Like I was just so thrilled with it. So this is a City Chic wrap dress, and it's in this beautiful, like come on. If you guys have been watching for a long time, like hello, how on brand is this? It's almost like they looked at my brand style guide and was like, Crystal would like teals, greens, pinks, blushes, whites, and blues with a splash of black. Hello, Stitch Fix, get out of my head. Such a beautiful, beautiful dress. One of the really awesome things about this dress, which I've never seen City Chic do before, there's 3 buttons on the inside. So instead of like taking the string and threading it through a teensy tiny little hole to get it to wrap around you, you just like literally button it up, and you button like to your comfort level of what you need, and then just tie it on the other side and you're off to the races. I wore this around the house a bunch, just kind of running around twiddling my toes and having a grand old time with it. I freaking love this. I cannot wait to wear it in public. Oh, it's just the most beautiful. Like, it is just the most beautiful. It's also got long sleeves, so for my babes that are like maybe a little more conservative, not quite there yet with like the showing of the arms, like it has a really nice billowy sleeve with a little teeny tiny elastic at the bottom just to keep its shape. I cannot speak highly enough of this dress. I am so thrilled. I just love this so much. And I'm keeping it. The only no in my box was actually due to a fit issue, and this is probably more my fault than theirs, honestly. So they sent me this really adorable black bodysuit, which obviously is 1000% up my alley and something that I would wear. The only downside is that it's in a 1X, which fits great on top, but as you guys know, being pear-shaped, I'm much smaller on top than I am on the bottom. Like, all that jigglage is right in the BLT area, so the bottom part wouldn't, you know, obviously wouldn't fit me. So, you know, I need to let my stylist know that, like, hey, I'm pear-shaped, and as pear-shaped, I need like a 2X in a bodysuit so I can get a little more space in the bottom half of it. Even though it will be a little big on top, it'll still work better than like this, which doesn't work at all. So unfortunately, this guy is going to go back, but it certainly isn't for lack of quality and isn't certainly for lack of style. It's just definitely a fit issue. When I saw a pair of jeans in my box, I have to admit I was a little apprehensive. I'm such a tough fit for jeans because of my body type, with being like, not only am I pear-shaped, I'm really short-waisted. So like my waist is here, you guys, and my hips are basically like right here. Like everything is just very north on me for some reason. And so jeans tend to be really, really challenging for me. And so when I saw this pair, I was like, ooh, okay, Stitch Fix, getting a little big for your britches there. I don't know. And then I put them on and I quickly apologized to the Stitch Fix gods and was like, nope, sorry, you're right, I'm sorry. So this is a brand I've never actually tried before. It's called Cut From The Cloth. I've seen them around. I don't know why I haven't tried them yet. I just kind of, you know, when you're like a tough fit and you like what you like and you like what you like and you're not really gonna like venture out. That's kind of where I am with jeans. I know what works for me, and so I don't venture out. And I'm really glad that they sent these, because now I feel like this is a brand I need to check out more. These are really cute as well. They come in, they sent me a size 20, which fits awesome. They're nice and tight in a way that I like them. There's so much, well, that was just my hand moving. There's so much stretch in these jeans, you guys, which make them such a gorgeous fit. I love the little velvet racing stripes down the side, because it kind of makes it feel like even a little more casual, with a little sporty vibe. And then there's mild distressing in the knees, and they're a medium blue wash. Just a really nice solid pair of jeans. Fits really nice, a great ankle length, which is my preferred length of denim. They just really killed this box, you guys. I mean, when you can send me a pair of jeans and I like them, whew, that is tough. That is tough to do. So super thrilled about these. So as a woman, especially as a plus size woman, I have a thing with shoes, which I feel like most plus size women are just really obsessed with accessories, because they always fit, right? Like they always fit and you can take care of them forever, right? So Stitch Fix sent me shoes and I am thrilled. They are slightly too small in the toe box, but like we're going to work it out, because look at these shoes. Look at these shoes. I've never seen this color before. I don't know what the frick it's called. I would call this like, well actually I think this may be in Pantone's color of the year, that living coral. Freaking beautiful, you guys, beautiful. So they're just a little tight for me, like right here, like just right here. Like I feel like if I had a shoe stretcher thing, and because of this fabric, which is like that suede fabric, it will stretch. Oh my God, these are beautiful. The heel is not terribly high, I would say. Ooh, just shy of 4 inches, maybe 3 and 3/4. Freaking beautiful. I love this little bit right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put it right on my hair. See this little, like it goes kind of straight and then down. I love this little design detail. I love these, what are they called? Dorsey heels or something? Freaking love these. Like, oh God, I cannot get enough. They're really comfortable, despite the little toe pinching vibe that I'm getting from them, but they are so stunning. They go so well with the jeans. They go beautifully with the dress. I just cannot say enough good things about these. I love Vince Camuto shoes. So again, this is another, like, my stylist freaking killed it, like A++, because I will stretch these and then be wearing the actual heck out of them. I can't stop, like they even go with my vibes today. I should put them on with my, I just have jeans on and you can't see them, but like I just have, look. So good. The last item in this haul is a blouse. When I pulled it out of the box, I was like, I don't think so. I really don't think so. And I have to say, it's growing on me. It's not my favorite thing in the world, but it's something that I never really worn, and I'm kind of, the more I look at it, the more I like it. So, and I really like the fit, which is really kind of what's making me want to keep it. It's the dual print black blouse, but it's kind of got this like Joshua tree, like wear me with cutoffs and little like ankle height, like cowboy boots and a big hat, and like let's go, you know, prance off into the sunset and play with the Joshua trees. Don't play with Joshua trees, guys, they're spiky, obviously. Anyway, this top is really cute. I love the mix of the floral and the polka dot up here. But again, this for me was largely a fit thing. Like blouses, again, are a tough fit for me because I am so small, but my boobs are pretty decent size, that a top very rarely will like button and not pull on the bust, and this does not pull. Dare I say I have space, and I really, really like that. Another thing, this is a very on-trend thing, by the way, for spring 2019, are these long ties that you can make into a little bow. For me, that's not my vibe, but I will leave it open, and it gives me like a nice like clavicle moment, and I really like that. So I did a little one tuck into the jeans to kind of make it more casual. This can pull a little more dressy, but with ripped jeans and a casual shoe and like some messy hair and a hat, this can actually really pull more bohemian, laid back Western than it does, you know, like office appropriate. So if you paired this with like a black pencil skirt and some black heels, could you wear it to work? Absolutely. But for my style, I would definitely pair it with like a ripped jean or a ripped short, like a cutoff or something, and then some sandals or some boots or something, and off into the sunset I go. So I would love to know what you guys think of this top, because I do feel like people are either gonna love it or hate it. I'm still on the fence. I like the pattern play on it, and I love the fit, which is the main thing. So I cannot wait to hear what you guys think. Okay guys, so that is it for me and this Stitch Fix haul. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you, and you saw something that you like. Thank you so much, Stitch Fix, for partnering with me for this video. You guys are the bomb. I love you so much, and thank you for a gorgeous, gorgeous box. I cannot wait to wear that dress and those heels. Again, I wore them around the house. Again, I'm just prancing around my house wearing that outfit because I love it so, so, so much. So thank you guys so much again for partnering with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on your way out. You guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to hear what your Stitch Fix experience has been. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!